Today I am going to teach you how to remove Instagram account from Facebook. Okay, you go first Facebook app, then your profile, go down, setting and privacy, setting, like this. And you want to go personal details, and then go down, account. See, you can see now your Instagram account in Facebook. This remove, again remove account, continue, and yes, finish removing. Then you can remove your Instagram account from Facebook. Thank you for watching my video.